Today didn't feel real. I started the morning in the UK, ended the night in the Netherlands, and somewhere in the middle, life changed. Yep, I moved countries today. Let's rewind. So, I guess I'm finally saying this. I'm moving. Like packing my whole life into 23 kgs moving. I've lived in the UK for 4 years and 2 months now. Went to uni here, got my first real job here, lived in four different cities, and made some of the best friends ever. So many memories, and now I'm packing them all up. Okay, okay, let's not cry yet. And I wanted one last walk around my city. This isn't the place where my UK journey started, but it's where it's ending. Chelmsford has been home for the last stretch. The job, the routines, the calm before this big jump. My bags are officially on their way to the Netherlands, and yes, they weigh as much as my emotional baggage right now. If these don't arrive, I'm showing up in my new life in pajamas. I've taken so many flights in and out of this country, but this one felt different. It wasn't a holiday, it was a goodbye. And somewhere above the clouds, it finally hit me. I'm starting over. And just like that, I live here now. Hi, Netherlands. Please be gentle with me. New chapter unlocked. And because my life is just pure chaos, we went straight from the airport to Eindhoven GLOW 2025. This was the last day that GLOW was on, and I really wanted to go have a look around. It felt like the whole city was welcoming me with a giant LED party. Imagine moving countries and then going to a light festival the same day. 10 on 10 would recommend. So, yeah, that was day one. I said goodbye to Nottingham memories, London chaos, Northampton calm, and Chelmsford comfort and stepped into something completely new. I'm scared, excited, tired, hungry, and mostly ready. If you enjoyed today's chaotic but emotional moving vlog, like this video, subscribe, and follow along because this Netherlands journey hasn't even started yet. New country, new life, new adventures. See you soon. Bye bye.